Today I am going to share some amazing Dollar Tree Xmas decoration ideas, simple, affordable and absolutely beautiful. Whether you are decorating your home or looking to grow your small business through creative handmade crafts, this video is filled with inspiration. Dollar Tree is a magical place for crafters where every single item can be turned into something festive, cozy, and market worthy. So, grab your glue gun, ribbons, and a little holiday spirit, and let's get started. At Dollar Tree, you will find endless possibilities for Xmas crafting. Here are some must-have items to pick up: wooden signs and plug. Yeah, I am telling you Dollar Tree products you can use. Wooden signs and plugs, perfect for rustic wall decor and Xmas squash, mini Xmas trees and ornaments, great for DIY tree setup. Jute rope, burlap ribbon or twine, ideal for rustic farmhouse style decorations. Pine cones, bells and artificial greenery and natural texture and charm. Glass jars and candles, perfect for cozy centerpiece and gifting ideas. Craft snow, glitter, and fake snow spray to bring that magical snowy Xmas feel. These inexpensive materials are not just for decorating, they are building blocks for creativity and small business ideas. Dollar Tree Xmas decoration ideas. Let's turn those items into stunning decoration. Rustic burlap and hanging. Use a wooden sign, wrap it in burlap and add pine cones, small ornaments and a red bow. It looks beautiful on entryway walls or as a gift. Time a simple glass jar, wrap it with jute rope and glue on a pine spring and tiny bell. Add a candle inside, instant cozy glue. Decorate a Dollar Tree mini tree with handmade paper ornaments or crochet stars. Add fairy lights for a warm touch. Snowy pine cone garland, paint pine cones white, add glitter and tie them on jute twine to create a charming garland for your living room or business display table. Gift basket ideas. Combine Dollar Tree mugs, chocolates, candles, and mini crafts in a jute basket, perfect for selling or gifting. Creativity and crafting. Crafting is more than decoration, it's therapy for the mind and joy for the heart. When you create something with your hands, it helps reduce stress, improves focus, and brings a sense of peace during the busy holiday season. It's also a great way to bring families together. Children can help decorate pine cones or tie ribbons. These simple activities turn into precious memories. And remember, handmade decorations always carry more meaningful. They bring warmth, love, and personal touch to your home. How to grow a small business with Dollar Tree? Now, if you are thinking about turning your passion into profit, Dollar Tree crafting can be a great start. Great theme bundles sell handmade Xmas decor set like wall hanging decorations and decors and some message with the ceramic candle jars or mini trees with ceramic you can make. Use social media posts, shorts, videos or before and after reels. And there are many more options. Showing your creations, people love transformation videos. Seasonal sales, start selling early in November to catch holiday buyers. Personalized orders, offer custom names or color themed for customer. Remember, you can custom names and messages or color theme for customer. Offer custom. Packaging matters. Use brown paper twine and bags. Simple but elegant. Packaging attract attention. Remember, a small creative idea can grow into a small business. Just stay consistent and keep creating from your heart. So friends, this expects let's decorate not only our homes but also our lives with creativity and kindness. Whether you are crafting for fun or for business, Dollar Tree products make it affordable to bring your ideas to life. Keep experimenting, stay inspired, and never underestimate the power of your handmade touch. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, because everyone deserves a little spark this holiday season. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next creative video. Happy festival, happy crafting. Thank you once again. Thank you for joining us and be a part of this video. Have a very nice and happy festival.